Hi again, friends. I lost internet, so not a live feed, I'm sorry, but where I am, no choice. It's absolutely beautiful here, as you can see. This is going to be the location for a time lapse I'm going to do tonight. Clear skies, rocks in the foreground, beautiful Australiana trees, everything I can possibly want. So I'm going to take you on a bit of a walk and show you where I'm going. So hopefully I can create some photo magic for you. And if lucky enough, there's a beautiful gum here. If I'm lucky enough, then I'll get a meteor shower tonight. And yeah, it'll hopefully look fantastic in the time lapse. Bit of a steep area, but you get alrighty. There's the waterway through there, and I'm going to do some homework, and yeah, we're going to look for the right location, the right spot to make a beautiful video for my friends out there, so they can enjoy working with me and enjoy Australiana. I hope you guys do. So, whoa, big spider web, that one. That was huge. What can you do? You're in Australia. It's a very normal part of life here. Typical Australia, pretty rugged, but at the same time very, very beautiful. We're blessed to live in such a beautiful country here. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Anyway, I'll do another video when I'm down at the site that I choose. Alright, peace out guys, keep it real.